just keeping our fingers crossed that this virus doesn't affect us as much as it has affected some parts of the world. Our hearts go out for people in Italy, in China, Korea, Japan, US, where the problem is multifold in comparison to India. And I hope and wish, keeping my fingers crossed, that we do not come to that stage at least. So it's very important that we all follow what the government is wanting us to do. I think our government is doing a great job. Somebody is sharing his screen. May I suggest you not Shubir Shah, please stop sharing your screen.
Shubir Shah.
Shubir Shah, you need to move out from here. I cannot see anybody. Thank you. So, and I think the government of India is doing a great job here. They have taken very timely decisions. Our efforts are being hailed across the world. I hope, as I said again and again, I hope this works. Rotarians too are doing a great job. And my advice to Rotarians again is, whenever you are doing something, please do ensure that isolation is maintained. Do not get people together trying to do good. If people come together, it's not going to be good. Temporarily, we may be able to feed a few people, but in the long run, it can become very, very problematic. Shubhashish, can you request Kunal Mehra to please, Kunal Mehra and somebody who's come just now, all the people.
Kunal Mehra, can you mute yourself?
And somebody who's joined on the iPhone just now who's trying to settle up. I don't know who it is.
From Siliguri, R.K. Jain, Shikarda.
Hello, hello. Hello, Shekhar. Hello, Raja.
Yeah, Shekhar ji, R.K. Shekhar ji is already speaking. Kindly settle down quickly.
Okay.
So this is as far as our current condition is concerned. So my request is, if at all you are working at the grassroots level, please be safe yourself and ensure the safety of everyone else. Coming to what is our role in these situations? These are trying times. I keep thinking of Mark Maloney. A person becomes the president of an organization, has a lot of बहुत इच्छाएं होती हैं, बहुत सारे ख्वाब होते हैं, बहुत सारे dreams होते हैं. And when I look at him, I find the biggest event that he was going to have, he sacrificed it for the safety of the people. So the convention is not happening. Last 4 months of his tenure, he'll be sitting at home. Raja who and all the other governors elect who would normally now be traveling across their districts, and I would be traveling across the world, we are all stationed at one place. But we need to ensure, sitting at our homes, that the wheels of Rotary keep turning. So I think this is a good time for us to prepare for the future. Once we are back in action, there's a lot of work that needs to be done. First of all, coming out of the situation that we are in right now, it's going to take time. There's going to be an economic fallout of this. Economy is going to take a little time. People will first want to do their business and then want to do service activities. People will thereafter want to make charitable contributions. So we are going to pass through some tough times. yet our goals are pretty high. We will have to keep those goals high because रोटरी का व्हील है, चलता रहना चाहिए, लाइफ है, चलते रहने चाहिए. We should be aware of the situation around us, but be prepared to fight it and fight it to the best possible extent. So what is in future as far as Rotary is concerned? I look at Rotary's future to be one of the brightest right now, in the sense that we have matured as an organization. In India, 100 years have got completed, which is a big deal. An organization with 150,000 people in our country, 100 years behind us, such excellent collection of people. I mean, if you take a picture of the screen that is in front of me, around 75 people are there on these 3 different screens that are in front of me. These have some of the best brains. In India, if we look, we have some of the best doctors, best engineers, best chartered accountants, best lawyers. So all of them are so powerful individually. When they come together, imagine the force that Rotary is. What my request is, let us exploit this force. Let us leverage this force to the best possible way for the good of humanity. Uske liye our goals will have to be large, they'll have to be big, they'll have to be a little difficult, stretch goals hamare hone honge. Goals which otherwise we would find a little difficult to achieve. So while we had such goals for literacy, we have recently had them for water, sanitation, health, disaster management, environment. So very soon, in about 10 days time, you would have a meeting. And Raja, you may not be aware as of now, but just yesterday I have suggested to Kamal and Bharat, and they will be talking to you and all the incoming governors, that there be a PETS. And after the PETS, within 7-10 days, you should have another meeting, which will be called the Area of Focus Seminar. For 3 hours, get all your presidents. If you can add secretaries, very good. There's going to be detailed discussion on the 6 areas of focus where Rotary in India is going to work, which is literacy, water, sanitation, health preventive, health curative, and environment. So these are some of the areas where we want to work. The goals at each of these is pretty high. I have been recently telling everywhere, I've spoken to the President of India, the Vice President, to the ministers, various ministers who are involved in these various ministries. For example, to the Jal Shakti Minister, Mr. Gajendra Shekhawat, I've said that आपका जो goal है next 5 साल का, Rotary उसका 10% काम करने के लिए तैयार है. Now that's a big deal, let me tell you. That's a big statement on behalf of any organization. I doubt if any organization has the gumption to go and say that yes, we will do 10% of the work that the government of India is wanting to do. But I know the power of the Rotarians. Agar hum lag jayenge, if we really want to do it, it is possible to do. It's not difficult. So I'll give you some examples. And these are just stray examples I'm giving. I'm not going in a particular way because that's what is going to take up at the seminar which I'm saying. Some examples are Government of India is wanting to build 100,000 check dams. 1 lakh check dams banayenge wo next 5 saal ke. At Rotary, we want to do 10% of the job, which means 10,000 check dams. 10,000 check dams in 6 years. It is actually, if you start from now, 2020, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 end, it is nearly 6 years, or at least 6 governors and 6 set of presidents in Rotary will be taking over. So if you divide 10,000 by 6, it comes to approximately 17,000-1,800. 17,000-1,800 ko if we divide by the number of districts there are, each district actually has to do 40 check dams. 40 to 50. 40 to 50 check dams will cost approximately 2.5 to 3 crores of rupees. If you take approximately 100 clubs, It is not even 3 lakh rupees per club, and you are creating such great facility for water in your entire area. A similar goal for water bodies. Now, what can happen from water bodies? एक जरा सा नाला है, उसको आपने convert कर दिया, it becomes into a beautiful lake, and it gives perennial water for thousands and thousands of people for years to come. One single act makes all the difference. One check dam helps. Cost लगता है 6 से 7 लाख रुपया, but it helps approximately 2 to 3,000 people over a sustained period. I mean, year after year, people get so much benefit out of just one check dam. I don't know how many of you have seen. मैं जब पहला check dam देखने गया था, I saw a check dam is created when there is, let's say, sloping terrain, and the water, rainwater, it normally comes and goes away into the sea or into the river. It's called storm water. Storm water, water which is not used by anybody. Very little bit of it is used, rest goes waste. So you put up a check dam, a small dam in front of that, a gabion structure at times. These are 10 to 15 feet high and about 30 feet wide. That's all. Local people have the ability to build them. They build these check dams. Water comes, stays there for jo pani. Saal mein there were 2 months of rain. Now this water, because it is stacked here and there are pipes which go down into the aquifer, the water table rises. Suddenly borewells में पानी आने लग जाता है in the villagers के घरों में जितने भी borewells हैं, and suddenly the water which was available only for 2 to 3 months is now available for 9 to 10 months, which means better irrigation. Because of better irrigation, instead of one crop, the farmer is able to do 2 crops, and a smarter farmer does 3 crops also. There is so much work in the farm that the son, the third son, who was going away to the village, to the city, does not have to go to the city. He can live in the village. The village economy prospers. Because of the water availability, there is greenery, more greenery. Because of the better greenery, the cattle, they get better feed. When the cattle feed is better, the cattle production, milk, cheese, butter, all of this becomes far better. So please understand, the vegetation becomes better, water availability throughout, lesser mortality because lack of water, good water available, lesser diseases, higher income for people, better income because of dairy, and your cattle is good. Now, all of this by just putting up one check dam. I'll show you 2 pictures which will quickly show you what difference a water body can make and what one Rotary Club can do. If you see the picture, I had gone and inaugurated this water body about 2 months back. I was in Chennai and I inaugurated it. It was quite a sight to see. Let me just share this with you. This is an existing water body. Okay. You can see the lake in between, rest is greenery around. It is all dried up, a stream only, and this has been changed to, sorry, this is what it has become now. Can you see? Or it's too white actually. So this has got turned into a lake.
Amazing.
This is 60 acres of area turned into a lake, which was only a stream earlier. Yes, it has been an expensive proposition, but 50,000 people are getting water from it on a daily basis. These are the sort of projects that we need to take up. And that one club, Rotary Club of Madras, has said they will take up 100 such check dams. We are 4,000 clubs in India. Not everybody has to do check dams. Not everybody has to do water bodies. Some will do water bodies, some will do check dams. But what you need to do is go back, change your thought process of doing work in water. Abhi aap jo kaam kar rahe hain na Rotary mein, put 1 0 after it. Tabhi jaake meaningful kaam hoga. I know what work 3240 is doing. You can do much better like it. Don't think yourself to be the the younger cousin of Calcutta. No, there is no reason to. You have thriving cities. We have just Calcutta, but you have many thriving cities, and you can do whole lot of work, far more than what Calcutta can do, or 3291 can do. Raja, I give you this challenge. In all areas of work, you have to become the big brother than even 3291. And if you find this is difficult, I'm just telling you, MK Jha is here. Nepal used to be a part of my district, 3291. When I was the governor, there were 25 clubs in Nepal and there were 100 clubs in India. That's when I left, when I stepped down. Thereafter, a few years later, Nepal became a separate district altogether. Today, Nepal has more Rotarians than what our district has. They give double the money to Rotary Foundation that what our district does. At times, they give 3 times, 4 times the money to the Rotary Foundation that our district does. So it is all a matter of, are we ready to think that way? Are we ready to raise our bar that way? Or are we happy, bhai, theek hai, jo ho raha hai, that is good enough. So to me, I feel when so many people are getting together, the bar has to be raised hugely. Friends, I give you example of water. Similar goals have been set for sanitation. So there is a new scheme that the Prime Minister had said, Har Ghar Nal Se Jal, which means every household will have a tap water. Today in villages, there are houses after houses, thousands and thousands, tens of lakhs of houses which do not have water. Their water is still drawn from the pond. They don't have tap water in their homes. हमारे लिए luxury है, नल चलाया पानी आ गया, but they have to go and fetch water. So Rotary has agreed that over the next 5 years' time, 1,000 villages, Rotary will take the tap water to every household. Start thinking. If you are your club president, if you are a past president, start thinking today, what is it that your club wants to do? And it's easy to do. My own club, we were just setting the goals for the next year. Our budget is more than 6 crore rupees. One single Rotary club. So it is possible to do. And my club, we don't have the extremely rich people in it or anything like that. No. My club would be like any of your clubs. You too can do it if you wish to. But your thought process needs to change. Your eyesight will have to be that, yes, my budget this year is going to be 1 crore rupees. My club, it has 50 members. My budget is going to be 3 crores of rupees. If I have 80 members, I will try to take it to 4 to 5 crores of rupees. When you pump in so much money into the community around you, good things only will come out of it. Whether it is in health, water, sanitation, literacy, environment, whatever it is, economic and community development, there is so much work that needs to be done and that can be done. So friends, it's all about changing your mindset. To me, that is very, very, very important. But you'll say, lekin funds kahan se aayenge? You know, if you have the goals, means will follow. That's what Gandhi had said. It always happens. Try to take up a challenge. And I tell you, if you sincerely are after that, you will not fail. If you cannot alone do it, okay, 2-3 clubs come together and do it. We have to leverage. To me, all of this work that I'm talking to you about, these are for the sake of the country. Rotary is only a platform. So am I ready to think that way कि मैं देश के लिए कुछ कर रहा हूँ? You may not be an MLA or an MP, but you are getting this opportunity of doing something meaningful. In 1 year, if your aim is 5 crore rupees for your club or 2 crores of rupees also, let me tell you, you are as good as an MP. MP gets 5 crores of rupees. Half the time, they are not able to spend it on meaningful work. But you will be able to. Those 54 people, 540 people, they try to build up the nation, the MLAs. Same is with you. MPs, sorry, not MLAs, MPs, you also have the same opportunity of serving the nation. Each one of you. So please take up this challenge in a way that you are in the process of nation building and not just doing the project for your club. I don't know how many of you are incoming presidents, but whether you are presidents or past presidents, I can see quite a few past presidents here. Doesn't make any difference. आप past president तो क्या हो गया? मैं भी अपने club का past president हूँ. I'm not coming the incoming president of my Rotary Club. But I want that my club should be able to do projects which are meaningful, which help the community, which change the structure, the look and feel of my community itself. I will not get into the details of what these programs further can be, but because the experts will come, they will speak to you on this. They will speak to all the incoming presidents, but I would suggest others also who wish to join, may please join. Raja, I must compliment you. You've got 90 people. I can see 90 participants, which is the highest I've addressed. Before that, what I addressed was approximately 78 people. That's very good. Take advantage of these meetings. Set your goals high. Set goals, and I have great expectations of you, Raja. You are an outstanding leader. You know how to get along with people, and Rotary is all about getting along with people. If all these people come together and you plan कि नहीं हम ये करके रहेंगे, funds will come. How many global grants have you done last year? I'm not talking of this year. This year can be a bit of a truncated year. Last year, how many global grants did you do, Raja?
This year also, I can tell you, Shekhar, this year we have 4 global grants.
Okay.
Last year we had 2.
And year before that?
Year before that, 1.
Year before that, you may not remember. Okay. So friends, let me just tell you, आपके पूरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट ने मिला के लास्ट 3 साल में जितना ग्लोबल ग्रांट्स किया, उससे 1.5 times मेरे क्लब ने सिर्फ लास्ट ईयर में किया है. My one Rotary Club last year did 10 global grants. Your entire district put together did 7 global grants in 3 years' time. So you understand when I say what I am trying to say. आपने तो अभी तक रोटरी का मजा तो चखा ही नहीं है. आप तो खाली घूम रहे हैं पेरिफेरी पे, फेलोशिप में ही रह गए हैं, खाली सीढ़ी चढ़ रहे हैं. फेलोशिप पे सीढ़ी, फ्लैट में जाना है, वो गोल तक तो पहुंचे ही नहीं है अभी. वो पहुंचने की जरूरत है. RCDC did 3-4 global grants, 1 every year. Friends, each Rotary Club, Raja, you should encourage each of them. Each Rotary Club should do 1 global grant at least. Your global grant numbers, take a leap from 3291 in this. We are past masters at global grants. Such an easy thing to do. Easy money for you to do. Small clubs in Northeast, इतनी जरूरत है वहां पर. Why don't you get global grants for them? If you have lack of international partners, come to me. I'll give you international partners. फिर तो क्या बच गया? फिर तो it's very easy. And there you will find donors. I'll give you an example. I'll give you one example how any club can do this. So my club is wanting to put up, we've already put up 6,000 rural toilets. This year we want to do 1 more global grant for 1,000 more rural toilets. So it's going to cost us approximately, let's say, 45 lakhs of rupees, because we have a system where we ask the beneficiary, 1 toilet costs 12,000 rupees. We tell the beneficiary, you put 8,000 rupees, we'll put in 4,000 rupees. And we are doing it in Bengal. Half of your district is Bengal. We have a wait list of at least a few thousand people. They are ready to give 8,000 rupees. So my cost is only 4,000. For the 4,000, I put in a global grant, putting in 1,000 only. 1,000 becomes 4,000. So for a toilet which is going to cost me 12,000 rupees, my investment is only 1,000 rupees. For 1,000 toilets, I have to invest 10 lakh rupees. I don't even invest that. I go to a friend of mine who is a philanthropist, I tell him, अरे भाई तुम तो दान देना ही चाहते हो, तो तुम और जगह दे रहे हो, तो क्या फायदा? तुम हमको दो, तुम हमारे को 10 लाख रुपए दोगे, मैं 40 लाख उसको करके ला दूंगा तुम्हारे लिए। और 40 तब देना, your 10 lakh you give me after I show you on paper that I've already got agreement for 45 lakhs. 4 times, 3 times guaranteed. He gives us the money 10 lakh rupees, वो 12 लाख देता है करीब, 12 लाख देता है, हम उसको 40 लाख करके 3 से 4 महीने के अंदर में ला देते हैं. He is happy. Had he put the money, he would not have been able to make even 100 toilets out of it. Here we are making 1,000 toilets for the same person. Possible to do. Possible to do everywhere. There is so much money in Guwahati. Go and ask a donor. They'll give you this money. Silchar, there are people who will give this money. In Northeast, there are people who have the money who would want to do something good. All you need to do is leverage the powers that we have. So Raja, just these some of the thoughts that I thought I'll just leave with you. इसको सोच को बदलने का जरूरत है, nothing else. It's all a matter of thinking. We come from an organization where one man had the courage to say we will eradicate polio. उस दिन वो आदमी ये नहीं सोचा था मेरे पास पैसा कहां से आएगा. Had he thought पैसा कहां से आएगा, he would not have been able to move further also. की कोरे हॉबे कैसे होगा ये नहीं सोचा था. He just set the goal, we will do this. And look, we have been able to do. Even 35 years later, last 3 महीना के अंदर में, 3 months back, we raised 17,500 crore rupees for polio eradication. 17,500 crore rupees for polio eradication. Rotary has committed just now. Government of India committed 15,000 crores to fight against COVID for medical facilities. That is the power of your organization. That's where you belong. So your thought process needs to change. ये जो 7, last year you said 4 grants, you need to add a 0 to that, Raja. 40 global grants. And I'm not exaggerating. I'm not exaggerating. अगर तुम लग जाओगे, करना है, तब तो ठीक है, हो जाएगा. और नहीं तो साल तुम्हारा भी खत्म हो जाएगा.
Agreed.
So friends, this is just the message I wanted to share with you. If you are proud that there is an Indian who is going to head the organization 1.5 years later, then you also have a responsibility towards making that Indian proud there, that he is coming from a country which does the highest amount of work and which is actually, as I keep saying, the Kohinoor in the world of Rotary. Thank you.
Thank you, Shekhar. Thank you so much for your inspiring speech as always. I can tell you one thing, with the support of my president-elect and the district Rotarians, definitely I will try my best to turn around the picture, to do more good in this world. Definitely look forward with more global grants to come into 3240. Definitely will do that. Thank you so much. And Shekhar, just if you have a couple of minutes time in hands, I have a couple of questions. I have jot down these questions. I'm not opening on the floor. I'll quickly ask you the question and you can respond back so that person can listen. The first question came from Rotarian Sukhbinder Singh from Amenity Bardhaman, Rotary Club Amenity. His first question is, what is your vision about environment, sustainability and action plans of clubs?
I don't understand the question.
He asked his first question, what is your vision about environmental sustainability and action plans for the clubs in coming years?
Okay. So if I've understood the question correctly, he wants to know what is the sustained work that we will do for environment.
Right.
What is it that the clubs can do as far as environment?
Correct.
So look, I'll just tell you, I have just thought of getting environment as one of the areas of focus. I have not thought too much on it. ये बात है करीब 1-1.5 महीना पहले की. There is so much work already that I have formed the committees, the work plan, etc. for everything. The last one that is pending is environment. I'm just taking it up in the next 4 or 5 days. I'll be able to give you more concrete thoughts on that. I've not even applied my mind to it. But immediately what comes to my mind first, of course, is tree plantation. We can take tree plantation to a different level altogether. ये 50,000, 100, 1 लाख पेड़ लगा दिया से नहीं होगा. Pan India, our trees will have to be in the numbers of crores. One. Second, end plastic. That's a movement that was catching up hugely, absolutely till COVID has taken over everything. All our lives are around COVID nowadays. But say no to plastic is definitely one of the things that we can do. These two things come to my mind immediately where the Rotary clubs can participate. No plastic is a very easy thing for you to do. People can come up with various thoughts. Some people can think in terms of plastic crushers, like ATMs. You go put the bottles there, the plastic is crushed. You could put that sort of thing. There are so many other things that can be done for end plastic things. But what I'm saying is, if you want to do that effort, do it in a coordinated way, Raja. Have a committee at your district level. Try and plan out what is it that can be done. अगर सुखविंदर का interest environment में तभी ये सवाल पूछ रहा है, then सुखविंदर do some research. Look up Google. अभी बैठे हो 2 days, 3 days spend only on this and try and find out, and the other like-minded people, what is it that the environment के अंदर में, what are the steps that can be taken? Climate control, don't try to do that. That's not your job. You see, you and I will not be able to do, but tree plantation we can do. End plastic we can start. Do we do a campaign? Do we bring in crushers? What is it that we can do? So start thinking about these. But in a few days' time, I will definitely let you have a plan.
Thank you, Shekhar. Sukhbinder, I have unmuted you. I think you have got your answer.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Okay, Shekhar, the next question from Arindam Datta from Rotary Club of Bolpur, Shantiniketan. Arindam, I have unmuted you. Quickly ask your question in a precise way. Don't put up a statement. Go to the question directly.
My question was very simple, that actually you are going to head this organization in such a situation which perhaps this generation has never experienced, not even Rotary. So perhaps you are going to face the biggest challenge to head this organization in different directions and put it in a proper rail. So you have already shared your ideas that exactly how you would like to do and in which manner you would like to do. I would just like to know, especially the economic doldrum is the aftermath is going to come, and how do we deal with this? Because organizations like Rotary, they have to heavily depend on the members' contribution, and the financial situation, if it is not okay, then how do we come out from this situation? That is my very humble question.
So I answered it already. When you don't have enough money of your own, learn the art of multiplying your money, and that you do through global grants. Okay, you have 10,000 rupees. The American also has only 10,000 rupees, but the foundation also is going to give you 10,000 rupees. तुम्हारा रुपया 30,000 हो गया ना?
I thought that is told. I have got the answer from you.
So that's what you'll need to do.
And a huge amount of global grants which are pending right at the moment for this year. In fact, it is going to get spilled over to the next year, I believe, because
some of them will. Some of them will.
Okay. Thank you. I have got my question. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shekhar. Thank you, Arindam. I have unmuted Dhiraj Jain. Dhiraj is my president from Silchar, Greenland. Dhiraj, quickly come up with your question.
Good evening, Dada. I was just wondering that envisaging the vision for the year 2021 in this amidst the current changed world scenario, now where the entire world is on war footing to defeat the COVID or the corona, how do you suggest us as presidents to plan out on disease prevention area of focus in the coming year?
You see, I don't see any changes in the programmatic thing. you see the health problem will still be the same. The water, sanitation, literacy, all problems are going to still remain the same.
Definitely.
And you will have no ways of preventing a future corona in this world. What you can do is you can equip yourself better, and we have a plan. When the seminar on areas of focus comes, Dheeraj, you will come to know that day. We have planned that each year, and Raja, this you have to note, during your year, you should have a health camp.
Yeah.
So the health camp will be the beginning where you have
So I think we have lost Shekhar connection. No, Shekhar connection is there. Shekhar, can you hear us?
Raja, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Can you hear?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, fine. So,
Shekhar, again, we are missing your voice.
Yeah, some other technical problem is there.
Yeah, I think network issues is there.
Yes.
Shekhar, can you hear us?
But we are listening your voice, Raja.
Yeah, I can even Chinappa, I can listen your voice as well. But I think we have some network connectivity issue with Shekhar Mehta's connection, because I can see him, but not able to listen to him, or his video even not working. Let me call him up. Just give me 1 sec. Shekhar, I can see you logged in, but we are not able to listen to your voice, even in. Sure. Okay. Friends, he is just joining. Some network connectivity issues, so he is changing the connection.
राजा
हाँ बोल।
बोले जब तक शेखर जी नहीं आते हमारी संगलियां खोल दो।
हाँ आ गए
शेखर जी आ गए।
शेखर जी back.
So as I was mentioning, कोविड के लिए हम रेडी कैसे हो पाएंगे? हम अपने हेल्थ सिस्टम को बेटर कर ले थोड़ा। सो हेल्थ सिस्टम को बेटर ये कर ले कि हमारे जितने भी रूरल हेल्थ सेंटर्स होते हैं उनका कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग करें, उनको स्ट्रॉन्ग करें, उनको जाके देखें उनकी क्या प्रॉब्लम्स है नहीं है। अगर सपोज उनके पास में कंप्यूटर नहीं है तो एक कंप्यूटर उनको दिया जाए। कैन वी गेट देम इंटरनेट कनेक्शन इफ दे आर लैकिंग इंटरनेट कनेक्शन, so that they have proper facilities level also. That is the best thing you could do.
Thank you, Secretary. Dhiraj, I think you have got your answer. Kripalda, I have unmuted you. You can come up with your question quickly.
शेखर जी गुड इवनिंग।
तो कैसे हो कृपाल?
मैं बहुत बढ़िया हूँ। बहुत पहले तो आपको बधाई हो, आपसे मिलने का मौका नहीं मिला बहुत दिन से। तो ये शेखर जी, मैं पहले भी बहुत बार डिस्कस कर चुका हूँ, ये रोटरी अपना एक चैनल क्यों नहीं करता? और मीडिया में भी तो कितने बाबे बूबे लेके चैनल घूम रहे हैं। अपना चैनल होना चाहिए हमारे पास, सारी दुनिया को बताएं हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं।
बात है ऐसा है कि हम चैनल, आप चैनल में देखते होंगे, वो एक ही बाबा है जो कि अपने चैनल पे चलता है। उसके जो 100 जो शागिर्द है ना, उनको कभी चैनल पे नहीं दिखाया जाता है। ठीक है?
नहीं, मैं तो वजह जो कि मैं सोच रहा हूँ रोटरी कितना काम कर रही है।
सुनो ना, जवाब दे रहा हूँ, उसी का जवाब दे रहा हूँ। रोटरी का एक बाबा नहीं होता ना, 1000 बाबा है रोटरी में, और एक बाबा जो है वो हर साल चेंज हो जाता है। अगर रोटरी इंटरनेशनल का प्रेसिडेंट ही वो बाबा है तो वो तो हर साल चेंज हो जाता है। Who will run that? Everybody will want some. Where will we run it from? From India, from Calcutta, from West Bengal, from Orissa? Where will we run it? And for running a channel, it's a huge time investment, money. It's a proper business for those people. So while it's a good thought, wishful thinking, you would love to do that, but I don't think that is. उसके लिए एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स लाना, सब्सक्रिप्शंस लाना, लॉट ऑफ इट।
एक कैप्सूल बना के कम से कम जो कर रहे हैं बताया जाए, दूसरे चैनल से प्रमोट करके।
सो डू इट एट योर लोकल लेवल। व्हाई डोंट यू डू मेक अ कैप्सूल? बट अगेन कैप्सूल में बताऊं हम लोग क्या करेंगे। कैप्सूल में हम 10 रोटेरियन खड़े हो जाएंगे, एक बच्चे को एक स्कूल बैग दे रहे हैं, उसका फोटो खिंचा के भेजेंगे।
वो तो बंद होना चाहिए मेरे ख्याल से।
पहले वो बंद करना सीख लें, उस दिन चैनल शुरू कर लें।
Thank you. कृपलदा,
thank you.
शेखरता, जाते जाते आज मीटिंग से आपका नेक्स्ट ईयर क्या काम होगा वो मैं उनसे पूछ लूंगा। आपको अगला साल बहुत काम करना है। Anyway, thank you. Neeraj, I have unmuted you. You can ask your question quickly. Neeraj Khandelwal, President-elect, Bardhaman South.
Good evening, Shekhar ji. I have a question. In this present scenario, how can a Rotarian help the community by staying at home?
मैंने शुरू में ही बताया था, probably you may not have been there.
No, I was not there.
My way of, I've already circulated, I've told, and I will tell at this forum again. The first thing we should do, contribute money to the PM Cares Fund. Done. फ्री राशन लोगों को मिल रहा है, लोगों को उनके बैंक अकाउंट्स के अंदर में पैसा 15 even a few masks the government is already on terms of masks. Or we are frozen.
Now, yeah, now it is better. Shekhar, that is better.
Yeah.
Shekhar, you can do one thing. You can off the video and you can use the audio. Bandwidth would be less. And yeah.
Can you guys hear me now?
Yes. Perfect.
Okay. So, देखिए, घर पे रह के I can do two things. Either I can make some contribution to a local organization which is distributing food, etc. for people. But there also my request, folded hands, is please do not get people together to distribute food. We will be doing greater harm than doing good. But if there is an organization which is maintaining isolation, which is maintaining distance, sensibly they are doing some work, then with the help of the government department, local administration, do that work. Otherwise, make contribution to the Prime Minister's Cares Fund. Rotary has agreed to contribute 25 crores of rupees हम सारे senior leaders, we have said we will, each of us will put in 1 lakh rupees personal, and अपनी अपनी कंपनियों से जो देना है, that is separate. I would urge each and every one of you. This is the biggest disaster of our lifetimes. Everybody in India, any industrialist, where is he making a contribution today? To the PM Cares Fund. Because today we all need to pool our money. From Rotary side, 25 crores is equivalent to 250 crores of Tatas. Tatas give out of their profits. You and I give out of our savings. There is a difference between the two.
Thank you, Shekhar. Thank you, Neeraj, for I think you got your answer. We will take two more questions before we'll say goodbye to Shekhar. The next question would be from a doctor, Dr. Anjana Sharma from Chipsagar. Being a doctor, she has some question related to medical services. Shekhar. Anjana, I have unmuted you. Ask your question.
Thank you. Thank you. Good evening, sir. Just first, being a person from the health sector, I want to say that we have done a great job as far as prevention is concerned to counteract pandemic of COVID-19. But the thing is that health sector investment in government investment in health sector is very poor to counteract this kind of pandemic. Even if we release fund from disaster management, we are not being able to cope up with the basic requirements like having.
Sorry, Anjana ji, I lost you for some time. Can you speak again, please?
Yeah. So
sorry. You were saying health sector investment.
Health sector investment, because you are in a good position to suggest a government to invest more in health sector than anything else. So even if you releases funds from the disaster management, we are not being able to provide that infrastructure in the rural hospitals, even in the district hospital. So so I just request you kindly suggest government to invest more on health sector, so that this kind of pandemic we can counteract. A basic minimum structure we can provide.
Excellent suggestion. Excellent suggestion. And Anjana ji, we will also have our own program over the next 5 years' time. When I was saying we want to strengthen our health sector system in the rural areas, we want to do capacity building. This is exactly what I was trying to say. I'm not getting into the details, but knowing you that you are interested in this, I'm noting down your name. Do send me an email, taking my email from Raja. I will get you involved into that program where we will try to enhance and strengthen the health sector system. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Shekhar. Thank you, Anjana, for coming up with a very relevant questions. Next is Jasal, President-elect, Greater Tejpur. Jasal ji, I have unmuted you. Quickly shoot your question. Very, very quickly.
Thank you, Raja ji. Good evening, Shekhar ji. This is Rotarian Jasal. I have a question which is in two parts. Number one, what can Rotarians do to reverse or reduce COVID-19 pandemic impact on global health economy? And the second part of the question is, under the new circumstances of global lockdown and its impact on economy, most of the Rotarians will find difficulty in sparing time for humanitarian projects, which may lead to crisis of human resources, which we are already facing in our club for the SAID project. Has Rotary thought or conceived any ideas to cope with this shortfall in the coming months? Thank you.
So what is Rotary International? Rotary International is comprised of the Rotary clubs, and the Rotary clubs are comprised of people like Jasal. So we will have to understand. I'm so happy you are understanding this problem. मैंने खुद ने कहा था थोड़ी देर पहले, before at the very beginning of my speech, I had mentioned that once we get back, we will.
Rajata, we lost his voice.
So get so tied up in our businesses, trying to. We will have lesser money to contribute. We will have lesser time for the community. पर अगर ऐसा होना है तो हमें ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा कि we have to shift our mind also towards charitable work, towards coming together. We know tomorrow again we can pass through some major problem. So हमें साथ में रहना पड़ेगा. Try and keep your members in. ask them what is it that will keep the membership going and that the number of members will not get reduced in your clubs. Keeping members in your fold will be the most important thing that you will be able to do to sustain over a period of time.
Thank you, Shekhar. Jasalji, you got your answer. Shekhar, last question we have for you. This is from Tapash Kumar Gupta from Durgapur Central. This club has done maximum global grant so far in our district in last couple of years. Tapash, you are there?
Yeah. You hear me?
Quickly, Tapash, quickly answer your
Are you hearing me?
Yes, we can hear you. We have to leave Shekhar by 6 o'clock.
Good evening.
Tapash, switch off your video and
Good evening all. My question is to, what is your strategic plans to
Okay, Tapash, we have some network challenge. I will ask.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes, go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Tapash, bolo.
Okay, Shekhar, on behalf of Tapash, I am asking the question on his behalf because he has some network issue. His question is, what are the strategic plans of RI to reach the poorest of poor section in this world-like situation, help them sustain livelihood, supporting medical facilities with PPE unit, very vital for the safety, may be required. That is his question.
So Rotary Foundation acted very swiftly. They quickly brought in $1 million and grants worth $1 million have already been approved. I don't know whether your district has got the grant. So many districts have already got $25,000 as grant, and that has come out very, very quickly. In 4 days' time, they have approved grants. 4 days only. So with that 25,000, which is approximately 17-18 lakhs of rupees, you can buy PPE equipment, etc. Secondly, as far as future strategy is concerned, I would suggest working in the areas of focus is our future strategy. That is the best way we will be able to work. I may not have been able to answer every aspect because I have answered as much as I could hear you.
Right. Now, you have answered whatever the question that Tapash has actually wanted to ask. Shekhar, in this regard, we can just keep you posted that so far I got the information from Trustee Gulam day before yesterday morning. There are 43 disaster response grant has been issued worldwide, and 3240 is one of them who got this grant 3 days back.
Very good, wonderful, very nice.
We are working on this piece to help with the relief items involving all the clubs of the district.
Very good, very nice.
Thank you, Shekhar. Thank you so much for your this interactive.
Okay.
We are looking forward to do something good when Indian neighboring 3240 will lead the Rotary International from the pinnacle of its place. We will try to do our best to bring Rotary at par as per your desire and wish. And next year, I am fully devoted. I am there. Whatever the guidelines and suggestions given, I will definitely I will try my best to do that. Whenever I need, as usual, I will keep you bothering for the help and support. Thank you so much. I have unmuted everyone. Kindly give a clap and give. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Dada. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dada. Thank you.
Thank you.
For inviting us.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye bye.